पिक्चरें देखी नहीं है, लेकिन हंसी तो बसी अगर आपने देखी है तो उसमें मेरे बॉय का था और उसके बाद से अप्रोक्सीमेटली ऐसे बाल थे और दावतेश में मेरे कुछ इतने लंबे बाल हैं, इसमें मैं कुछ नहीं कर सकती। इतने बाल और इतने बाल के बीच में जितना है इतना ही मैं कर पाई। अगली बार मैं लाल रंग के बाल रखूंगी आपके लिए। No, I keep saying this that if it wasn't for the recession, I would, let alone acting, I would have never come back to India. I wanted to. I had gone there because of that, and recession नहीं होता तो मैं भी बैंक में काम कर रही होगी. Not in marketing at all. I wanted to be an investment banker. I'm a banker by profession, by qualification. What am I saying? By qualification. So I would have never come back here. What are you saying? 100%. For me, I don't think like that. If I believe in the script, so whatever he's saying, I will be. He didn't have to think, I will have to do prosthetic makeup. It went with the role, so then you don't differentiate between these things. I mean, at least I think like that. I would not do it because there is some drastic step that I have to take. Not if the was so powerful and the script was so powerful that I to me as an actor, I would not even think about it. बाहर रुक जाएंगे यार, वापस क्या है 6 महीने आ जाएंगे वापस. But in that video we are not friends. And the role is that I'm a competitor. I'm this bitchy actress who doesn't like Alia and all. That was the fun of it, and it was so much fun because all those people who were involved, Alia, me, Arjun, Karan, and Shakun who's directed. Also AIB now have become friends. Tanmay, Rohan, etc. We're all like a bunch of friends, and they thought doing this video, and they had all decided. And in fact, I think they only thought of me to that part. And in fact, they thought I would probably say no because I think most actors would say no, that I don't want to be part of a video which is actually about Alia. But when they told me, I laughed so much. I was like, of course I'm doing it. And we weren't able to find time, and we did it in the middle of the night. But that's what I'm saying. If you're convinced that you have to do something, you don't have to really think about it. And I think the great thing is the only risk was that people wouldn't take it in the right way. People might think I'm actually bitchy, or people might think that Alia is actually being so dumb. But the point of the video was to do it in jest. And I'm glad that you understood it for the intention that it was made for, and I'm glad nobody's misunderstood the video. That's the thing that's happened. जब मुझे knowledge नहीं थी, तो जो भी सबसे सस्ता होता था वो मैं खरीद लेती, मुझे कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ा. लेकिन आई थिंक आप भी रियलाइज करते हैं कि यार पर्टिकुलर प्रोडक्ट जो आपको सूट करता है वो करना चाहिए. Ambassador, because actually my mom recommended it, and then I happened to also get offered to be the yeah. So now I use only one because now I know it suits my hair. But otherwise I've used before I knew what was good for me. Now, it's so funny. There's one company, and see also because I used to work at P&G, so I know how they work. पीछे से वो लोग कैसे चूज करते हैं लोग. But honestly, अगर वो मुझसे मिले और उनको लगता कि नहीं इसके बालों का कुछ नहीं हो सकता, they wouldn't have signed me on. They really want to believe no hair extensions. They don't do any color pigmentation to make it look brighter. Nothing. They do no fake tricks which many people do. Which I think so cool of them, I could easily say, no, listen, I only wear long hair extensions to make hair look long or wear a long wig. Nothing. What you see in the ad is 100 real. The way they've shot it, it's amazing. They always, in fact, sometimes you have to fight. Sometimes they say, I'm not looking good in this shot, but they say, no, but it's the real shot, so we want to use it. So I think that they've chosen me for some.
ऐसे में ऐसे आप बाल लगाना कुछ है यार.
लेकिन जो आप ले रही हैं उनके सामने जाके ऐसी बातें नहीं कर उनके सामने जाके you don't think so. I'm telling this is the truth. that नहीं, मैंने उनसे जाके शैम्पू नहीं पूछा, but अब आपने मुझे बोला है तो मैं उनसे पूछूंगी. मैं उनसे पूछूंगी. happened, but मुझे डिस्टिंक्टली याद है कि होली के बाद मतलब 10 दिन तक बाल नॉर्मल नहीं होते थे. हमेशा लगता था कि बहुत कड़क है, बिकॉज हम लोग पक्का रंग यूज करते थे. हम लोग बहुत, क्योंकि मैं अम्बाला से हूँ तो वहाँ पे बहुत पक्की होली खेली जाती है. So that's all I remember. Otherwise, अभी तक it's not gone wrong. Yeah, because also we work with experts. जिन लोगों को मतलब ये लोग सालों से ये कर रहे हैं, तो वो लोग पहले ये सोचते हैं कि हमारे बाल खराब नहीं होने चाहिए. अभी तक ऐसा नहीं. बॉटल की रिसर्च करने के बाद जो मैं रोज करती हूँ 3 घंटे, मुझे पता है आंसर. यू नॉट सेड दिस, दिस इज माय आंसर. सो स्टार का मतलब ये होता है. नहीं, मैंने कभी नहीं सोचा था. नॉर्मली मैं पीएनजी पे काम करती थी तो पैकेजिंग वाज आल्सो पार्ट ऑफ माय एंड normally a star is terms and conditions apply as part of any legal contract. You know that if they say अरे 3 दिन में ये होगा, they'll always put a star saying 4 दिन भी हो सकते हैं. 3 दिन का 3